Captain, on this island assembly brings things and people together, to meet, to build, and to unite under one purpose. Meaning 1. A group of people gathered for a common purpose. Assembly means a meeting of people for a shared reason, such as discussion or ceremony. Example: the captain spoke to the crew during the morning assembly. Common use: school assembly, general assembly, public assembly. Meaning 2. The process of putting parts together to make something. Assembly can mean building or putting together parts of a machine or structure. Example: the ship's assembly took many skilled workers. Common use: car assembly, furniture assembly, assembly line. Meaning 3. A legislative or a decision-making body. Assembly can also mean a formal group of people with authority to make laws or decisions. Example: the island's assembly voted to improve the port. Common use: national assembly, local assembly, legislative assembly. Captain, let's see how assembly gathers crews, builds ships, and shapes decisions on this island.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
Strong unity, Captain. May every assembly you lead build smoother sails for the next island ahead.